by the title, I'm on my way to Manchester for the big beauty day out. I can't bloody wait. I'm so excited. So basically, it's from where I live, it's a 1 hour 50-minute drive. So that's why I'm leaving now. It's 8:30. I really should have left at 8 to give me that an hour like leeway, but that's just me. I always run late. I'm just on my way to Sainsbury's to go get some cash out just in case it doesn't take card or whatever. I've never been before, so I don't have a clue what to expect, but I am so excited. I'm meeting one of my YouTube friends that I've known for so long now. I think it's about 6 years. So she's called Katie. So yeah, I'm going to be meeting her today, which I'm really, really looking forward to. I'm just going to go get some cash out and then we will be on our way. Oh God, the sun is bright today. Got my cash, so now I'm going to be on my way. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited at the same time. I am about 55 miles away according to the sat-nav. I've had to move you into a different position because it fell off of the middle of my window. I don't know if it was because it was too cold or what, but I've had to move you now, so that's why you're over that side. It's now 28 minutes past 9 and it's saying that we should get there at 25 past 10. So just about under an hour to go. Was that right? Yeah, I think it's right. But the event starts at 11, so it'll be 25 past 10 that I get there. Maybe, hopefully even earlier. So I can find some parking because I still don't have a clue where I'm going to park. Excuse my sunglasses because the reflection, it's just, yeah. It's so nice today though, it's so sunny. It's still a bit chilly, but it's sunny, so that's good. If you don't know what Big Beauty Day Out is, it's basically where loads of influencers from YouTube and whatnot go to this event, and you get to meet your influencers that you look up to, basically. And you can have like little meet and greet slots. I was so lucky and I got the slot that I really wanted. So I'm meeting Jordan Lipscomb and Soph Does Nail. They are my two of my favourite YouTubers ever. Love them. Loads of brands go there, so like Beauty Bay is going to be there, and Maybelline, NYX, Tangle Teaser I think I saw. But yeah, so I'm going to get off here now and I will get back to you when I'm there. Right everyone, so I'm here now, so I'm just going to go and get in the queue because it looks like there's a really long queue. So we're in the queue now. I'm here with Sabrina, Alicia, Katie and Abby. Yeah, we're just waiting to go in, really, aren't we? We're really excited. Walking in. Say hi. I will put all of their channels in my description so you can subscribe to them. But yeah, we are here now, as you can see.
Hardest thing you've ever done, right?
Yeah, actually. lining up to meet Jordan and Soph, so we're so excited, aren't we?
Yes, very, very excited.
This is Katie, so you would have seen her in the first few clips as we got here, but I'll link her channel down below. She's nearly at 1,000, so go subscribe.
Can't wait.
It's so busy, isn't it?
It is. It's so fun though.
Have you done meet and greet like?
Yeah, I've just done
Body Shop?
the Body Shop one. It was really nice meeting everyone. So make sure you guys go subscribe.
So we're pretty much finished at the event now. We've just took some pictures with the background. So we're just literally getting selfies now because we're all here together. As you can see, Katie, Sabrina. So yeah, it's been such a good day. We've literally just met Anastasia, which was amazing. Met so many people. So yeah, we now left the event and I'm now saying goodbye to all these lovely people. So that's the end of today really. Hope you've enjoyed it.
Like, subscribe.
So I'm in the car now, on the way home. I should be home for about 7:15. It is now near enough 6 o'clock. It's 17:58. So sorry if it's really loud. It's quite windy. It's been such a good day. Excuse my glasses. I've had to put them on because I've got a headache and I always need them for driving and I'm quite naughty and I don't really wear them all the time. So sorry about the reflection. I've literally loved meeting all of the YouTubers that I watch and even the girls that I was with. That was the first time I met them as well, which was so lovely. So hopefully you'll be seeing some videos from us in the future. I've got no end of stuff. Like they were just giving away free things and it was amazing. Going to show you what I got throughout the day. So this is the little band that we got given, obviously to put over our wrists. I really wanted to keep it, so I worked out a way to try and get it off. Thankfully I have little wrists, so I was able to get it off quite easily. But yeah, so that was the little band. And then as you went in, we got given this little passport thing, which I think is so sweet, that you had to do, that you'd have seen in the clips before this. So they marked off every time, obviously, you did a game, but towards the end they didn't really mark them off, so that's why I've got like 2 spare ones. These were the 2 stamps for food, but I only got a pizza when I was there. I don't even think I vlogged that bit, but yeah, I just got a pizza when we were there and that was it. First thing I got was this little burn book, which is so cool. Well, it's not even little. I don't even know why I said little. But this burn book, and it's to keep all of your brushes in. So these are all like the little holders for your brushes. I got a Kiko face palette. I haven't even looked at this yet. Oh my god, it's actually really sweet. So it's like bronzer, blush and highlight. That is so nice. Oh my goodness. I also got a Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, like obviously a little mini. Next store got all these metallic lipsticks. At the Got To Be stand we got some dry shampoo. The Kiko stand as well, I also got this, which is a metallic eyeshadow. So this is what the metallic eyeshadow looks like. It's gold, so that looks actually really nice. So I'll see if I can create a makeup look with that. Whilst going around as well, I also got another one of these NYX things, so I think I'm going to give one to my mum. They, at the end of the event, they just came round and was like offering them to everyone, so yeah, I got given another one. Next things I got were all of these Lash Sensationals, which is amazing because it is one of my favourite mascaras. Well, this one actually is my favourite drugstore mascara. It's so good. I then got, which I was so amazed about, a Tangle teaser. I've wanted one of these for the longest time and I finally got one. So I got a Tangle teaser. Then got given a actual full-size glossy box. Obviously these are, you can subscribe to these and obviously they send you a box. I think it's monthly. So it's just like a little leaflet inside, and then got this, which is a pomegranate mask, sleeping mask, a massive tub of body butter. This, which is a, I think it's a body spray. Correct me if I'm wrong, but oh yeah, it is, look. It says eau de parfum. Excuse how I said that. This, which is a hair mask. I've always wanted to try a hair mask, so I might try that out in a night routine soon. And a Dr. Paw Hot Pink Balm. Oh my goodness, so you can use it for your lips, cheeks, cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. Oh, that's quite fancy. I've never heard of that before. And then last but not least, I've got a full-size shower gel. So that's actually so good. I can't believe that we got all of these things for free. It's crazy. The last few little bits are a little Nip and Fab face mask, a Beauty Bay brush, which it's like a detailer brush, so you can use that for like my inner corner highlight and whatnot. Then got given 3 tanning mitts, which is amazing because they come in so handy. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm not showing you my face because I look horrendous. Please like this video, comment down below any suggestions you have for in the future, and subscribe as well. I'll see you next time with a brand new video. Bye!